Yo, Stefan.
Yo. What'd you do now, Wyatt?
Get the door.
I'm sick and tired of these hoes on my line. I've been Tony on the song, cause I'm on my grind. Bitch, I'm trans from a in it goes all to Miss Prom and these.
Well, I think we might be the world's first people to have a Beamer truck, an official Beamer truck. Stefan, Travis, and I, we put these 2-inch spacer plates on there, and then we went back on stock suspension. So before, the height of it was like up to here, but it came down a lot. So these are the X3 wheels on some off-road tires, and pretty much we're gonna see how she does. We're in the middle of absolutely nowhere in the power lines, and we're gonna see what she's got. It's probably the first American BMW too. We got an F335 XL edition. This is one of a kind, and it is gray, so that does make it a platinum edition. As you can see, platinum right there. And to really top it off, this is no longer a BMW. It's a Ford. It's a Ford now. So first goal for the 335 to see how reliable they really are is we got this pretty steep hill here. You know, she's got some ruts, and I really hope it doesn't bottom out here. It's gonna be a close one, but we got Drew's Land Cruiser down here, so we're gonna see if the Land Cruiser can make it up. Then it's the BMW's turn. All right, we got this. We're gonna make it look a little bit easier. It was supposed to shoot flames. I don't know what's happening. I made it shoot flames earlier. Here we go. It definitely bombed out right there. She took it like a champ though for the most part. This shit looks absolutely ridiculous. It's in her natural habitat though. Come on, baby. No! This is not good. This is where the YouTube videos have gotten now. Dude, look at this shit. We brought a 335 to unknown territory right there. She's never seen this before. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. As you can guess, I've never off-roaded before because I own a bunch of 335s. We're gonna scout the area a little bit because I have no idea what is that way.
It looks pretty good. That boy need Manscaped.
Let me help you out. Look, got the Platinum Package 4.0 for you because you ain't getting no girls with that. Come on.
What's wrong with this?
Look, Lawnmower 4.0. Give it a shot.
Let me try this out. Damn, man.
I know. Now you lightened up.
I think I'm ready to rip the Platy. Thanks for the Platinum.
Platinum Package 4.0 to the Platinum 335. Let's see how he drives now. Today's video is sponsored by Manscaped. Make sure to use my code Wyatt for 20% off at checkout. Today they sent me the Platinum Package. They sent me the Platinum Package 4.0. Where you get bald crop preservers, and I've been using this for weeks now, and it's honestly hands down the greatest thing I've ever had. The underwear is super soft, and they even give you a little bag. They even give you a little travel bag for when you're going on vacation.
Man, that Platinum Package
all your stuff. So, make sure to use my code Wyatt at checkout for 20% off Manscaped.com. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. None of this would be possible without them. Your balls will thank you.
We're sending our boys.
Oh my God, bro.
Yes, sir!
Shit, bro. Oh my God.
Yes, sir. You should have seen what I saw. Ask him what's up all the time. He's certified fucking driver right there.
Certified ripper, you heard him.
Yeah. Man, this thing is meant to be.
The BMW whistle and diesel. I already know I'm gonna get spammed with comments that says I'm copying. I'm just like the poor whistle and diesel.
It's BMW. I haven't seen Whistle and Diesel do all for a BMW.
Yeah, he ain't got shit.
Ain't no copying, it's just new ideas.
The car may die, either because I send it too hard or it's getting f***ed on this hill.
What do you think, Steph?
I think she got it.
We need safety on this one.
It's a steep drop off on the right, so you gotta hug the left.
Oh my God, that's pretty damn steep.
Go left, go left, go left.
Young Platy, boys! Young Platy! Young Platy! Yes, sir!
Go.
All right, we're stuck now.
Oh yeah, how do we get out now?
Oh. That might be it, boys.
Oh, she's stuck now, fellas, and it's getting dark too, so not a good sight to see. There's a tree.
Damn.
We have to make it like a mile that way until she's back on pavement.
So like somebody need to get on the trunk and then like a couple of us on the side. Yeah. Fuck yeah! Come on now! Where's your bag?
Look, I never say it. Please subscribe. We do dumb shit like this all the time.
Not that way.
He deleted the tree.
That was so close.
got drenched in dirt. 335s are invincible. F anybody else. I don't care.
Dude, I'm just sitting here. Grip her up. Man, come on. Do the zigzag.
We have one last mission. We got to get up all the hills we came down.
Vladdy's a tank, I'm telling you.
Dude.
This car's a beast.
Bro, it just ate that.
Jeez. That's where we got there.
Me and Seven have a 40-minute drive home in this exact vehicle.
God.
Oh my God.
Bro.
I hope we're not leaking anything.
Vladdy ate that shit. This ain't no parking lot princess.
Just like that, back on the pavement.
That was insane. What the hell did we just do?
Hoes always do the most.